This is Sean at Rick's Motorsport Electrics, and today we're just going to show you real quick how to do an unloaded voltage test on your stator. So the first thing you're going to do is come over here. We're just going to use our test bench here instead of running motorcycle, but it's the exact same thing on your bike. First thing, just disconnect your stator from your harness so that we're just measuring the stator by itself. Then you're going to turn your multimeter on, and you're going to set it to the appropriate setting. Different multimeters are different, so you should check your operator's manual if you're not sure on this part, and if you have questions you can always contact us and we'll do our best to help you out. So then you're going to connect your multimeter probes to your stator lines. On this type of connector, it's a lot easier to kind of go in on the back. And now we'll just start the bike up. And that's all there is to it. It's just the AC voltage across your stator lines with nothing connected to it.